Hey everyone! Ever wonder how top YouTubers like Mr. Beast, PewDiePie, and Logan Paul create and sell their own merch? Well, today I'm going to show you how you can do it too. Imagine having your custom t-shirts, hoodies, water bottles, and mugs out there for your fans to buy. Stick around because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to start your own merch line using Canva, Printful, and Shopify. And here's a crazy fact. Some creators make thousands of dollars a month just from their merch sales. In this video, I'll teach you how to start your very own merch store. We'll cover everything from designing awesome products to setting up a seamless online store and fulfilling orders. Think about selling t-shirts, hoodies, mugs, and more with your unique designs, just like your favorite creators do. And here's the best part. Selling merch can be just as lucrative for beginners with a small audience as it is for big-time content creators like Logan Paul. If you're new here, I'm Oma, and today we're diving into something truly exciting. Starting a merch business can be done in two ways. You can handle the entire process yourself, which means keeping physical stock and managing deliveries, but let's be real, that's capital intensive and quite a headache. The smarter and most flexible option is print on demand. With print on demand, you don't have to worry about keeping inventory or making deliveries. Instead, when someone orders your product, it's printed and shipped directly to them. It's hassle-free and perfect for creators who want to focus on what they do best, creating. Plus, your merch designs can serve multiple purposes. They can be a way for your fans to support you, or you can create designs that appeal to a broader audience. This means your products can be bought as gifts or for personal use by people who don't even know you're a YouTuber. This tutorial will guide you step by step on how to create and sell amazing products. By the end, you'll have everything you need to launch your own merch line without any fuss. So get ready to unleash your creativity and start building your brand just like the pros. So for step 1, we'll start by creating our Printful account. Printful is a print-on-demand service that offers variety of products without having to worry about inventory. So you click sign up on the top right corner and you fill in your information. You can create an account with your Google, Apple, Facebook, or you sign up for email, whichever one is your choice. You fill in your information, you select the applicable options in the prompts that will come up, such as what describes you or your business, your total annual revenue, what products you're interested in selling. You just select according to your business needs and you click sign up. So you check your email for a verification link from Printful and click on it to verify your account. Once you're done with that, you will have access to the Printful dashboard. So our step 2 is to set up our Shopify account. Shopify is an e-commerce platform that allows you to create a store to sell your product. So you click on start free trial, you fill in your email address and you follow the prompts to enter your store name, create a password, fill out the necessary details about your business, and click submit. So you follow the prompt to enter your store name, you create a password, you fill out the necessary details about your business. Basically, you just answer a few questions about your business in order to complete the setup. You'll also be required to input the country where the business is located. So once you're through with that, you click submit. Our next step, and this is major by the way, it's going to ease your adding your products to your store. So our next step is to link Printful to your Shopify account. So you start by visiting your Shopify admin panel. It's in the left-hand menu. You click on apps. Then you visit the Shopify App Store. You type in Printful in the search bar and select the Printful app. Once you've done that, you click install, then you click install again, and it will ask you to input your Printful account details. So you could either log in or create an account. Since we just created an account now, we just put in our login details, and it would ask us to confirm connection to the email address, so that it's connecting the store to the email address. Click on it. So it will automatically redirect you to your Printful dashboard. Once you're there, you click on stores in order to confirm the connection of your Shopify account to Printful. So under stores, you'd see like this is the Shopify account that we just created now. So whenever you wish to add products to your store, you can just click add product, and it will automatically take you to varieties of options of products available on Printful. You have accessories, home and living, clothing, hats. These are varieties of options. It's important to take note that the prices of these products vary. So whenever you're deciding on a product for your store, it's important to take note of the prices, compare before settling on a product that suits your need. And you also have access to stars and reviews of those products, which will inform you on the quality of the products you're adding to your store. So for step 3, we'll design our product on Canva. So you go to Canva website, you create an account, or you log in if you already have one, then you create custom size. For custom size, you will be required to input the dimensions of the product you want to design. So for today, we're designing a hoodie. You could just search generally for the dimensions, but I'm using this website to get the dimensions of hoodie. So once you scroll through the list, you'll come across hoodie or whatever product you wish to design, and you just copy and paste the dimensions into your Canva dashboard. So for hoodie, we're doing 4,500 pixel by 3,300 pixel. So you input that in, and you click create new design. So it's going to open into a blank canvas. You can add text, graphics, images, and other elements. It's your choice, explore your creativity. But for me, I like to make my merch as simple as possible. I don't like it too complicated or too busy. So I'll just click on text and click on add heading. That's the biggest text box available. You select on the left hand corner, you click on the drop down button for font. You have a list of fonts available for you, both free version and paid versions. So you just go through it and test run, play with it, see which one suits the theme of the design you wish. Once you're done with that, we'll start putting in the text that we wish to design. So for today, the text that we'll design on our merch is believe and succeed. So you type in believe, expand the text as big as possible. You'd want your text to be big and bold. So you expand it as much as possible till it's at the size that you're okay with. Once you're done with that, you click on duplicate. It will automatically duplicate the text box and will save you the stress of having to start the design process from beginning. So you just edit it out, you put in and. I decided to use the and symbol just, to switch it up from just text alone. Then you duplicate also, edit it out and put in succeed. So you just adjust it till you're comfortable with the design. And once you're through with that, you download your design by clicking on share, then download and download. So you download in PNG format. And something I just want us to just put in mind. The white background and the black text would work for products on lighter shades of color, but might not necessarily work on products of darker shades of color. Like putting this design on a black hoodie will not work. So in order to save stress of going back and forth, since we're still on the Canva platform, we just do a second copy of this same design by changing the background from white to black and the words from black to white. And you go through the same download process also, you just download the design. So once we're through with that, the next step is to upload our design to Printful. So you go to your Printful dashboard and you select file library, you have the option to either upload your file by going to the folder, or you drag and drop. Whichever one is comfortable for you. Once you're done uploading the file, the next step is to design your product on Printful. So you click on product templates, then click on create product. You have list of products available to you, variety. You go to the search box and you can just type in hoodie, click enter, just wait for the search result, and here we go. We're on Printful design interface. So on this interface, you can see you have the options to either put your design at the front, the back, the left sleeve, the right sleeve, inside label, outside label. It's your choice. So we'll just click on front and you see the frame where the design will sit on. So you have the option to either drag and drop or to upload, either way. So once you click on that frame, it will take you to the file library. That's where we initially uploaded the just completed designs from Canva onto. So you select the design of your choice that you wish to make use of. You could drag and resize your design on the template as you see fit. And for this next thing, it's a personal choice. But for me, I like to remove the backgrounds of my designs. And Printful offers that service free of charge. So you select remove design. Here we go. It looks much better. Now on the right hand side, you have varieties of options that you could explore to see how your designs look on it. See, you have hats, you have tote bags, beanie caps. You have so many options. They all look good. It also saves you the stress of going back and forth. Like, you just have a list on your right hand side that you could just add to your products and just put everything on your store. But for today, we're just doing hoodie. Once we're done with that, click on save to template, and then we'll proceed to adding our product to the store. Next, you click on store and you see your Shopify account there. Then click on my product template. It will take you to your recently completed designs. You click on it and that will automatically take you to the product detail page. So once you're there, you could select the colors and sizes you wish. Next is the mockups. So you have two options. You have custom mockups and basic mockups. I don't use custom mockups because at the end of the day, it makes the whole design too loud and it takes the attention away from the product I'm trying to sell. So I prefer to use basic mockup, but it's your choice. Just explore and see whichever one you feel okay with or comfortable with. So with basic mockups, you have various options of mockups for your product. You have models rocking your product. All this just helps to put more personality into the product you're selling. You have the option to select the mockups of your choice, or you could just select everything. For me, I select everything and then I personally search for the main image I'd like for my mockup. So I just scroll through and select amongst the options already available. Then the next step is the product details. You put in the title. For me, I just put in believe and succeed, the wordings on the hoodie. So you put in your product title, then under description, you can leave it as it is, but for SEO sake, it's usually recommended to put your title somewhere in between your description. So just find it a way to fit it in. And then you have tags. It's also to help optimize your product and make it easier to search and boost sales. Once you're done with that, you move to pricing. So you adjust the pricing as you see fit. You'll notice that the prices vary per size, so there's no problem about that. You'll see Printful price, that's the price of the product from Printful. Then you have retail price, that's the price you wish to sell your product. And then there's estimated earning, that is your profit on each sale of the product. You can manually change your retail price, or if you'd like, you could just go for the option above, which is increasing retail price by percentage. You put in the percentage of your choice. So for instance, if you put in 30%, automatically 30% will be added to the Printful price. So on each sale, you know that you're earning 30%. Once you're done with that, you click submit to store, and automatically your product will be added to your Shopify store. You can verify that by visiting, you click on store, then you click on view store. Automatically to show you your Shopify dashboard that is available on Printful. It's see based on this dashboard is showing that the product has been added to the store. You can also visit your Shopify dashboard to confirm. Once you're there, you click on products, and here you see the product is already available in the store. If you remember at the very beginning, I explained that Shopify is an e-commerce platform that allows you to create your own store to sell your products. That means you are responsible for your store. It is yours. You can design it as you see fit. The final step in setting up your merch store is by clicking on the online store in your Shopify admin panel, and you'll be presented with a list of themes, both free and paid. You can just explore and select whichever one suits the theme of your niche. So for now, just click on Spotlight. Just wait a few minutes or a few seconds for it to load. Once it's done installing, you select Publish. This will fully integrate it. You click on Publish, and from here you can see my theme. The theme of my store has automatically changed from Dawn to Spotlight. Then you click Customize to adjust the layout, colors, fonts, and more of your store. This section basically is like the back end of my store. You can click on this header up here, my store, to put in your store name, the logo, ads. You can create additional pages like About Us, Contact Us, Frequently Asked Questions. You could set up your store navigation by adding menus, links to your collections and pages. You can customize your homepage with banner, future products, collections, and promotional contents. Basically, you can just do anything you want. Just explore. Once you're done with that, you click on save, and voila, your merch store is ready. Alright guys, you now have all the tools you need to create and sell your own merch online using Canva, Printful, and Shopify. Whether you're just starting out or aiming to take your merch game to the next level, this guide has everything you need. Remember, selling merch can be a fantastic way to earn extra income and connect with your audience in a unique way. To really skyrocket your sales, try creating fun and engaging content around your merch and share it all over social media. Engage with your fans, run exciting promotions, and don't hesitate to get creative with your marketing strategies. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button, leave a comment with your favorite merch idea, and hit subscribe for more epic tips on building your brand and making money online. Thank you for watching, and remember, the sky's the limit when you unleash your creativity. Catch you in the next video.